Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen, and we're here to help you decide which baking spatulas to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. A number of people use spatulas on a daily basis. Even the most minimalist among us have many spatulas in their kitchen utensil jar or drawer. A good spatula is sturdy and versatile, and the one you choose can make the difference between a perfectly flipped pancake and a flop deformed one. Whether you're searching for a spatula to use with nonstick cookware, scrape bowls, griddles, and grills, or apply frosting to your favorite desserts, we've put together a list of the best spatulas for you. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The baking spatulas that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position in our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The baking spatulas coming in at #5 in our list is the Tovolo FlexCore wood-handled silicone spatula. Tovolo's FlexCore wood-handled spatula in white can help you make the ideal Denver omelet or a batch of your favorite indulgent sweets. This multifunctional tool has a BPI-free silicone head with a nylon core for extra rigidity and can be used with nonstick cookware. The spatula is built for long-term usage with a solid ergonomically shaped wood handle. Its square corner fits into tight spaces, and the tapered edges scrape every last drop of batter. Tovolo's steel-handled spatula is a hefty piece of equipment. It has a substantial weight to it, which our team found helpful when stirring thick brownie batter with chocolate chips. The square corners allows the spatula to fit into tight spots, and the angled head is perfect for easy scooping. Furthermore, the metal base and silicone head detach from one another, implying that you'll need to clean it into pieces at some point. Despite the tool size, the handle of this spatula is designed to be ergonomic, so your hand won't tire out while stirring, and it won't scratch your nonstick cookware or bakeware. Its large size allows it to complete more tasks in less time, while its flat surface is ideal for spreading. Our team likes how the silicone wood spatula eliminates the danger of using a metallic wok shovel when cooking. The spatula's head is detachable from the handle, allowing users to wash it in the dishwasher. The robust, broad, and thin Tovolo FlexCore wood-handled silicone spatula is ideal for mixing and folding. Its ergonomic shape makes the operation much more pleasant. That is why our team put it at the #5 spot in our list. The baking spatula coming in at #4 in our list is the M Kitchen World Silicone Spatula. The M Kitchen World Silicone Spatula has been meticulously designed to make every kitchen look professional while also being fun and fashionable. The first item is a small silicone spatula for icing, spreading, and smoothing frosting. And then there's the spoon spatula, which is made of bendable silicone rubber and can be used to mix, scoop, and taste your favorite kitchen delights. The silicone jar spatula is the third spatula size. This has a lengthy rubber head for scooping hard-to-reach areas. The large spatula comes last. It's a must-have bowl and pan tool for scraping batter, dressings, sauces, and more. You won't have to worry about this rubber spatula set melting or warping because it can resist temperatures up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. These ergonomically designed silicone spatulas are of high quality, lightweight, and durable enough to take all of your kitchen's flames and frenzy. They're machine washable and come with detachable heads to get into all the nooks and crannies. The rubber spatula's bendable silicone heads are gentle on cookware, leaving it unscathed and ready for the next dish. Given the features of the M Kitchen World Silicone Spatula set, there is no doubt that you will receive your money's worth when selecting this spatula set for your kitchen. And so, our team includes this product at #4 in our top 5 list. The baking spatula coming in at #3 in our list is the Get It Right Premium Silicone Spatula. The flipper of the Get It Right Premium Silicone Spatula is roughly 2.5 inches wide, the same as the other cookie spatulas. The size was easier to handle and utilize in a crowded pan than some of the larger spatulas we tested. GIR also offers 2 larger models if you need something bigger to handle pancakes and omelets. On the other hand, our team loved how the GIR's 11-inch handle keeps your hand away from the pan's edge. It's just more comfortable aside from the benefit it provides when using a large or deep nonstick pan. This spatula is a better all-around utensil than the others on our list because it's easier to use for tasks like stirring a deep pot of stew or sauteing a tower pile of greens. The fact that the GIR is a single seamless piece of fiberglass coated in thick silicone was also appealing to us. The silicone is thick enough over the majority of the spatula to prevent it from cracking, and the fiberglass core is flexible but durable. We found that because fiberglass does not heat up as quickly as metal, and the handle does not get too hot to the touch, the seamless design also means there are no nooks for food to get stuck in, making cleaning the GIR a breeze. Unlike a cheap plastic spatula, the Get It Right premium silicone spatula is built to last a lifetime in your kitchen and handle the most demanding usage of home cooks. A long handle and narrow spatula blade make it great as a car scraper, blender spatula, and Vitamix spatula. And so our team felt that this product deserves to be at the number 3 spot on our list. The baking spatula coming in at number 2 on our list is the OXO Good Grips 3-piece silicone spatula. The OXO Good Grips 3-piece silicone spatula comes in a variety of colors. One is simply white, but the raspberry and green stand out from the rest of our Crocs utensils. The raspberry-colored spatula, for starters, has a shovel-shaped head that we found useful for stirring a pot of chili or soup on the burner. The white spatula and the green spatula share the same form but in different sizes, with the green one being a smaller version of the white one. Whether we were scraping the bowl of our stand mixer or getting into the corner of a skinny peanut butter jar, each head has a rounded edge and a pointed corner that made it a delight to use. The spatula's business end is constructed of silicone. The neck is nylon and the handle is santoprene, so they can withstand extreme heat. They're heat resistant up to 600 degrees, which is higher than what is required for most cooking. Our team found that when we left a spatula in a hot pot while cooking, the handle didn't get damaged where it leaned against the pot, which is an issue we've seen with other kitchen utensils. The silicone in the spatula's head is the appropriate density, with just enough bend to contour it to the jar, bowl, or pot we were working in. It's also firm enough to handle dense foods like sticky marshmallow like icing. Anyone setting up a new kitchen or replacing old cooking tools should choose the OXO Good Grip silicone spatula set. Given its features like its shovel-shaped head and higher heat resistance, our team has decided to place this product at the number 2 spot in our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 baking spatula on our list, the UTaste Silicone Spatula. A 9.44-inch jar spatula, a 10.62-inch spoon, and a 10.62-inch large spatula, and a 8.11-inch micro spatula are included in the UTaste Silicone Spatula set. It comprises 4 spatula sizes that all bakers and home cooks use regularly. Each silicone tool is stiff enough to clean bowls in a single swipe, but flexible enough to reach into tight corners. You won't have to worry about sticking these spatulas in the oven or stirring hot sauces or soups because they're heat resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Teal, red, purple, orange, and black are among the 5 colors available. One of the numerous advantages of the silicone used is how much heat it can safely withstand. Due to the nature of the material, it won't melt or impart anything to food even at extreme temperatures. This set also comes in a wonderful vintage teal hue and includes 4 different models, 2 large ones with wide heads that are suitable for stirring and combining, a small one for scraping, and a flat one for spreading jams or frosting. Even though they have a soft exterior, they're strong enough to withstand a rigorous everyday use thanks to a stainless steel core. The UTaste heat-resistant silicone spatula set is a great place to start if you're searching for your first set. This 4-piece spatula set is an excellent beginner kit that includes everything you need, including BPA-free, food-grade silicone, and 1-piece seamless construction. For that reason, we ranked it first in our top 5 list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 baking spatulas which got our team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next baking spatula roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.